We just got some information in from a person who lives near the Bay Area, Boulder Creek specifically. Deep in the Redwood forest, up a single lane road at the top of a summit, very disclosed, is a Lockheed Martin facility, which is at the end of an old mountain road at a dead end in the middle of nowhere in a redwood forest. This location is so far off the map, and lots of reports and sightings have been told through the years here in this small mountain town. These pictures are well known here and have been cited numerous times. It's known as the Big Basin UFO. It seems that Lockheed has definitely created some sort of anti-gravitational aircraft that uses some sort of gyroscope technology. Lots of sightings of this craft have been seen near Big Basin, California. Otto Scorsini's information regarding the extensive use of U.S. national parks by clandestine underground facilities is corroborated by public photography of advanced levitating surveillance drones over federal and state forests. Several modular variations of hovering drones with circular hubs and radial spines have been photographed as early as 1985 near Barksdale Air Force Base, Louisiana. Subsequent public photographs of the anti-gravitational drones also surfaced in Birmingham, Alabama, and areas of California in 2007, including Bakersfield, Big Basin, Capitola, Northridge, and Lake Tahoe. These surveillance drones have also been photographed in the UK, Netherlands, Italy, Argentina, and other NATO countries where they patrol in great numbers. These usually invisible surveillance drones are deployed and remote controlled by operators in various secret underground bases in U.S. national parks, easily collecting data on all activities off the grid. Fake alien scripts decorate the drones to disguise the craft's origins in the event of partial malfunction or crash by misleading observers toward the conclusion that the odd craft is an alien visitor to Earth. Temporary failure of the drone's EM-generated HHO plasma invisibility cloak allows it to be briefly seen by the public and photographed before vanishing only seconds later. Malfunctioning drones have surprised eyewitness photographers over both rural and urban residential areas, suggesting that video surveillance of American citizens has been a regular task of these invisible plasma cloaked drones for many years. Having been described in a few cases as hovering, slowly rotating, and counter-rotating before rapidly flying away at low altitude, one would imagine that the drone's remote operator may not have known that the plasma cloaking of the drone had failed until the individuals under surveillance stared upward. Several photographs have been taken showing the drones uncloaked near utility poles and power lines, suggesting that the drones resonantly recharge themselves from available electromagnetic fields surrounding elevated power lines before being able to regenerate the HHO plasma cloak and instantaneously disappear. Events of drone cloaking failure are on the rise with the intensifying electromagnetic planetary changes. Did you know that the Metacenter website has a large database of UFO and other anomalies that are taking place around us? Yep, this map has been on the website for many years. If you would like to check out the map, click on the link in the description.